Hello and welcome to the first episode of the Secret Code Club. So let's get started. So today we're going to be showing you how to create a secret code. And so what we're going to do is we're going to write the alphabet. So you might have a different alphabet in your language, but yeah. But this is the ABC. So first, we're gonna do an A up here. Okay. So A and the alphabet all the way down. A, B, C, D, E, F. On P, Q, R, T, W, Y. So I've done the whole P in the alphabet. It looks weird, but so now what we're gonna do, it's on next to the letters. So we're gonna go from the bottom now. So this is a very simple code. We're gonna go from the bottom and do the ABC again. But first we'll do like equal signs, so we don't get confused. And soon we'll have our own secret code. And then later on in the Secret Code Club, I'll give you secret codes, and so you can work them out. Okay, so if you know your ABC backwards like me, you can go from the top. But yeah. So for those people who don't, we'll go from the bottom. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, K, and there we have our secret code. So I'll go through it again and maybe post a little thing at the bottom here. So A equals Z, B equals Y, C equals X, D equals W, E equals B, F equals S equals U, G equals T, H equals S, I equals R, J equals Q, K equals P, L equals O, and M equals N. So I only need to say that from up to M, because from N and onwards it's the same. So look, so M equals N and N equals M, O equals L, L equals O. It's the same. So yeah. So thanks for watching, and watch all our other videos as well as Secret Code.